Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check if Samsung phone is original or fake. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to your settings, and from there I want you to scroll down until you see this section that says about phone. Okay, and I want you to go ahead and click on it, and here you should see some information about your phone, including your IMEI. Now, to know whether it's original or fake, basically what I want you to do is first check the serial and the IMEI numbers that are printed on the packaging label against the ones that are found in your settings. Okay, this is usually a good indicator as to whether or not you have a genuine device. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.